Ngayong linggo ay papasok na ng Inspire Sports Academy ang Gilas Pilipinas para simulan ang paghahanda sa first window ng FIBA Asia Cup 2025 qualifiers. Closed door ang training kasama na si Justin Brownlee na hinugot ni Coach Tim Cone para maging naturalized player ng squad. Makakasama ni Brownlee ang teammates niya sa Hinebra na sina Scottie Thompson at Jamie Malonzo, Junmar Fajardo at CJ Perez ng San Miguel, Chris Newsom ng Meralco, Calvin Aftana ng TNT at sina Kai Soto, Dwight Ramos, Carl Tamayo, Kevin Kiambao at AJ Edo. I think the team that's put together is a very dynamic team, ani Brownlee sa komposisyon ng squad. Young, athletic, energetic with some of the best talent in the Philippines right now, in my opinion. Unang dadayuhin ang Hong Kong sa Chuanwan Stadium sa February 22 bago i-host ang Chinese Taipei sa PhilSports Arena sa February 25. Kabisado na rin ni Brownlee ang mga kakampi kaya sigurado siyang magiging palaban ang Nationals. We went through a lot the past year. All the way from the first window that I joined the team and even before that, being around the team, seeing the team play at the FIBA World Cup, litanya niya. I just can't wait to be again part of that and hopefully we can create some special moments.